skills you must master before making your first $1 million. Most people chase money before they develop the skills required to hold it. That is why wealth slips through most hands and flows straight into the hands of the few who are prepared. Welcome to True Wealth. Today, you will discover the 15 skills you must master before you can earn, keep, and grow your first $1 million. These skills are not optional. They are the foundation of high-income people everywhere. 1. Discipline. Wealth grows in silence. It requires consistency, delayed gratification, and self-control. Without discipline, every other skill collapses. Discipline is the quiet force that turns ambition into achievement. 2. Focus. Money rewards concentration, not chaos. The average person is distracted every minute. The wealthy guard their attention like a vault. Focus turns ordinary people into dangerous competitors. 3. Decision-making. Indecision is expensive. Every day you hesitate, someone else takes the opportunity you ignored. The wealthy decide fast and adjust later. Your life is shaped by the decisions you make and the decisions you avoid. 4. Emotional control. Money flows away from emotional people. Fear makes you freeze. Greed makes you gamble. Anger makes you reckless. Control your emotions and you control your outcomes. 5. Communication. Wealth requires influence. You cannot earn big if you cannot explain your value. Clear communication builds trust, closes deals, and multiplies your impact. People do not pay for silence. They pay for clarity. 6. Sales. Every millionaire is a salesperson. They know how to persuade, negotiate, and close. Whether you sell products, services, or ideas, you must sell. Sales is the gateway skill to wealth. 7. Financial literacy. If you cannot read money, you will always lose to someone who can. Understanding interest, leverage, tax, and compounding separates the wealthy from everyone else. Money rewards intelligence, not effort. 8. Networking. Your network is not who you know. It is who knows what you can do. The right people accelerate your success by decades. The wrong people delay it by a lifetime. 9. Strategic thinking. The wealthy think long-term. They look 5, 10, 20 years ahead. Every move is intentional. Strategy wins the war before the battle begins. 10. Problem solving. People who solve small problems earn small money. People who solve big problems earn big money. Your income is a reflection of the size of the problems you can solve calmly. 11. Leadership. Wealth requires leverage, and leverage requires people. You cannot scale alone. Leadership creates alignment, loyalty, and momentum. Great leaders build great wealth. 12. Adaptability. The world changes fast. Technology shifts, markets shift, skills expire. Adaptability keeps you relevant when others become outdated. Change is not a threat, it is a multiplier. 13. Creativity. Creativity is not art. Creativity is seeing opportunities others ignore. It is the ability to combine ideas into something valuable. Wealth is built by people who think differently. 14. Risk management. Every big reward requires exposure to risk. But the wealthy do not gamble. They manage risk so precisely it becomes a competitive advantage. Avoiding all risk guarantees poverty. Managing risk opens the door to wealth. 15. Execution. Ideas are free. Execution is priceless. Most people talk, few act. Those who execute consistently become the ones who win. These are the 15 skills that build millionaires long before the money arrives. Master them, and wealth becomes a natural consequence. Ignore them, and you will repeat the same year for the rest of your life. If you are serious about your first million, comment "Mastery" and share this with someone who is ready to level up.